Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the green screen is even and separated from the subject. This reduces fringe and saves time. Once done, open your chosen editor and import the full resolution photo, then immediately duplicate the background layer so you have a safe backup. Make sure to zoom to 100% and inspect edges. Doing this lets you spot spill and uneven tones early. Now select the duplicate layer to perform all masking and color keying steps without altering the original, which you can revert to if needed. You apply the Color Key tool or select by color to remove most of the green. Adjust tolerance so you remove background but keep subject tones. Once the bulk is gone, use Refine Edge or Select and mask to recover hair and translucent parts. Adjust feather and contrast to balance softness versus detail. Then paint the layer mask manually with a soft brush at low opacity to clean residual patches or thin strands. This targeted touch prevents halos and preserves fine detail. You now add the replacement background under your mask subject and position it to match perspective and scale. Improper alignment betrays the composite. Once placed, color grade the subject to match the scene, adjust temperature, exposure, and add a subtle shadow layer to ground them. If you see green spill or edges, desaturate the fringe or use selective color correction and a small Gaussian blur on the mask edge to blend. If problems persist, check the original lighting and redo the mask with finer brushwork.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.